My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Sorry for the noise in the background. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Just got off my bike. You know, we at the spot right now. About to give y'all another early sneaker review. About to get back on my shit. I mean, I was giving y'all early sneaker reviews for like a month straight. Then I stopped for like a month straight. Now I'm back. I'm hoping I don't get it cut. Let me walk away. I'm trying to walk away from the speaker because it's like it's music playing everywhere around me. I'm not trying to get a copyright strike. But damn, I feel like I got loud over here. Anyway, I got two early sneaker reviews. So I wasn't going to combine both of these, but they're two different. Like one is one and another is another. So I don't want to combine it. They both look like, say for instance, example, both Jordans. I would have combined it. But so I got two videos dropping today. Y'all make sure y'all go check this one out and the one after this one, or whatever order y'all watched it in. But all right, let's get up to the spot so I can give y'all this early review. Then we're gonna go back home so I can give y'all detailed information about the sneaker. So stay tuned for that. Be right back. Okay. So we got this white top, black letters, Flight, Jumpman right there in the center. I thought they could have gave us a better box, but it is what it is. All white box. Look like a little cement speckles going through it right there. All right, so we got the label is Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white. Black is the color, size 9.5. I usually only show my personal pair, my personal size, if I know for a fact I'm going to get. I'm still on the fence about this because I don't know if I need this. Again, like, I've been passing up on a lot of Jordans because it's like, do I need them? So, like, I don't know. But let's get into the shoe. Suggested retail price, I think it's going to be $190. I could be wrong about that. So, but you know, I always give y'all the right price after. All right. Cement print paper. Oh, they do look good in person, though. Let me get both of them out of here. Close this box up. Stuff all that stuff back up in there. All right, so without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. Boom. Okay, like I said, we got the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. These are kind of going a little hype, but you know, it's the color blocking of the thunders and the lightnings and stuff like that, and you know, normal Jordan 4. So, all right, so pros real quick. I love Jordan 4s. It's like my second favorite silhouette next to 10s. I love Jordan 4s. I'm just tired of the color blocking. I mean, like I think I said this in the previous video. I got black and white. I got the playoffs. This is a different type of black. That's more of like a shiny black. This is more like that suede nubuck. I do like it. I'm not gonna lie. Now that I got it in hand, it does look a lot better in person. I might really have to think about if I'm gonna get this. This might come down to game day. I don't know the actual release date. You know, I'll give you that information when I get back home. But I know it's coming up. It is in August, and this is already the second week of August, so it gotta be soon. I know I just did the review on the Air Jordan. What did I just do? I just did it yesterday. I forgot. It's gonna be at the end of this video, but that comes out this Saturday. Oh, the 11th. The 11 lows, diffuse blue. They come out this Saturday. So I think these come out the following week, or maybe a week after that. But I mean, definitely not an ugly shoe. I like it. I mean, got that all black upper, whatever like that. See the rib cage is white behind it, white eyelids right there. Nice material. This is nice nubuck or suede. I think it's nubuck though. Nice material. You see it ashing up a little bit. I mean, I like it. It's cool. It's a nice black and white shoe. White midsole, black rubber outer sole, white Jumpman in the center, white pod right there. I mean, it's a good shoe. I mean, I'm gonna be real with you. Like I said, I was on the fence because it's a black and white shoe. Jumpman on the back, black pull tab, rubber pull tab right there. But now that I got it in my hand, I can see why somebody would want to got it. I just got rid of my Thunders, my Lightnings, my Red Thunders. I got rid of all of them. Like, so, do I need it? No. But do I really ever? This might be the thumbnail right here. Kind of like that. That's definitely a thumbnail. But do I ever really need a shoe? Especially how many I got? I do not. But y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Do you think you will be getting the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder when they drop? All right, let's get back to this spot so I can give y'all some proper information like retail price, release date, and all some information behind the shoe. So stay tuned for that. Let's get back. Okay, I'm home. Hope y'all enjoyed that little sneaker review, little early sneak peek. All right, got some information for y'all off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. You can read along with me. Be right next to me. It's up now. Let's see. In 2006, Jordan Brand introduced the Thunder series, followed by the Red Thunder in 2022. Now in 2024, they're expanding the series with the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder, celebrating the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4. This edition sports a simple white and black color scheme. The black nubuck upper matches the tongue, wings, and part of the midsole. Unlike past Thunder releases, white dominates the midsole, eyelets, Jumpman on the tongue, insoles, and heel, contrasting the black mesh on the base. The design is finalized with a black rubber outsole featuring a white Jumpman underneath. Set to drop in August 24th, there was the date. The Air Jordan 4 White Thunder will be available at selected Jordan Brand retailers and stores online at Nike.com. It comes in 4 family sizes with a retail price of $215. I was completely wrong. I said like $280, $290. $215 is crazy. Remember I was saying that I might get these. Now I might not. $215 is crazy. With the tax, it's gonna be like $225. Oh my God, Jesus. This release adds another chapter to the iconic Thunder series, showcasing a fresh twist. Whether you're a long-term Jordan enthusiast or a casual sneaker fan, the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder offers a stylish celebration of the iconic Air Jordan 4 silhouette. Don't miss out on this commemorative release that pays homage to the legacy of Jordan Brand. All right, and there go some more pictures. I don't know why they did a blue background with this, but there we go. But y'all seen all this when I showed the shoe. All right, so am I gonna get it? Like I said, I was on the fence. I was more 70-40 about getting it. Sorry if I keep on wiping my hair. I got this hoodie on. It's hot as hell. 70-40. Now I'm more 50-50 because I don't want to pay that price tag. $215 is kind of steep. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you're gonna cop or drop the Air Jordan 4 White Thunder when they drop. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.